Sai Raman and all. So, in the previous session, we discussed many good qualities that the freedom fighters exposed in different areas, in different occasions. Correct? Yeah, now Bhagat Singh was sentenced. He was given a punishment. What was the punishment given to Bhagat Singh? That is death punishment. Along with him, many other freedom fighters were also given death punishment. So, what was the only prayer of the people who were with Bhagat Singh? What was the prayer? The only prayer of those people was that somehow or other they must escape the noose. Am I right? Then, so what do you mean by transportation for life? Transportation for life means sending the criminals to a place far away from. Why? As a form of punishment. It is a punishment. Correct? Then, now come to the next paragraph. That is we discussed the first letter. Now come to the second letter, letter 2. Bhagat Singh's letter to the second LCC convict. Who is a convict? You know it. Correct? So, LCC means Lahore Conspiracy Case Convict. LCC, Lahore Conspiracy Case Convicts. So, when was it written? In Lahore jail on 22nd March 1931. Then why did he write that letter? What made him write that letter? He was in prison. Correct? It is a reply to a letter written by the LCC convicts. So, on 22nd March, the second LCC convicts who were locked up in a ward number 14, where is it? Near the condemned cells, sent a slip to Bhagat Singh. What did they write? Asking him if he would like to live. So, this letter was in reply to their letter. So, they wanted to know what was his desire, whether he liked to live or die. He writes to them clearly. Then, first paragraph, see, 9th paragraph. What does LCC mean? Lahore Conspiracy Case Convicts. Remember, the desire to live is natural. It is in me also. I don't want to conceal it, but it is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under restrictions. My name has become a symbol of Indian revolution. The ideals and the sacrifices of the revolutionary party have elevated me to a height beyond which I'll never be able to rise if I live. See the strong determination. Correct? He was suffering. He faces many problems in the cell. But his determination, his desire to serve the country is a permanent one. Nothing could shatter it. Nothing could shake it. He says, the desire to live is natural. What is the opposite of natural? Artificial. Prefix, unnatural. Natural. It's natural. Everyone has the desire. Nobody wants to die. It's in me also. The desire to live is in me also. I am not an exception. I don't want to conceal it. Conceal means hide. ನನಗೇನು ಅದು ಅಡಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. I don't want to conceal it. It is an open. Conceal it. But it is conditional. Conditional means ಷರತ್ತುಬದ್ಧವಾದಂಥದ್ದು. So I want to live. What kind of life should I live? Correct? It is conditional. I don't want to live as a prisoner or under any restrictions. I don't want to live in a cell. I don't want to live as a prisoner. That is not life. Or under any restriction. There should not be any restrictions in my life. I should enjoy the life freely. Correct? Restriction today. My name has become a symbol of revolution. Indian revolution. Revolution noun. Indian adjective. Correct? Indian revolution. Means Bhagat Singh means revolution. Revolution means Bhagat Singh. The ideals. The principles. The models and the sacrifices of the revolutionary party have elevated me. What is elevate? Lift. The ideals have elevated me. The ideals have lifted me, made me great, bring what? Name and fame. Correct? So the ideals, the principles of the revolutionary party have elevated me. It has elevated me. It's an active voice. It has elevated me. Ideals have elevated me. Correct? How to change it to passive? Me becomes the subject, so I. It takes has. So I takes have. I have. Have, has, had. Take what? Been. I have been. Past participle, elevated. I have been elevated by it. Passive voice. I have been elevated by it. Ideals have elevated me. I have been elevated by the ideals. Correct? Now, ಎತ್ತರಿಸಿದೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು. ಆ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಆದರ್ಶ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ತತ್ವ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟು ಎ ಹೈಟ್, ಎಷ್ಟು? ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಸ್. ರೈಸ್, ರೋಸ್, ರೈಸನ್. ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ರೈಸ್, ರೈಸ್ಡ್, ರೈಸ್ಡ್, ಎತ್ತರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ರೈಸ್, if I live means if I live, I could not reach that level. Now I have been sentenced, but my name has reached the topmost level. ನಾನು ಜೀವಂತ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ತತ್ವ ಅದನ್ನು ಏರಿಸಿದೆ. ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಟುಡೇ people do not know my weakness. Every man has his own weakness. Everybody wants to hide it. Nobody wants to reveal it. So Bhagat Singh says, I have my own weakness. People do not know my weakness. I know my weakness. How to make it negative? I don't know my weakness. Weakness, noun. Weak, adjective. Correct? If I escape the gallows, so what is a gallows? Yeah, wooden structure where a person is given death punishment by hanging. It's a structure. Gallows, if I escape gallows, those weaknesses will come before them. I reveal those weaknesses. Correct? If I escape, that means I should not escape the gallows. Before them, and the symbol of revolution will get tarnished. Tarnish means damage. Tarnished, damaged. I will be dishonored. It will be discolored. It has a bright color now, but if I escape from the gallows, it will be revealed, blemished, correct? Damaged. So I should maintain that dignity. Tarnished, or perhaps it may vanish altogether. Vanish means disappear. Appear opposite, vanish. Appear prefix, disappear. Correct? Appear, disappear. Appear, vanish. It may vanish altogether. On the other hand, if I mount the gallows, mount means climb. If I mount the gallows boldly, if I climb the gallows boldly, bold, opposite. What is opposite? I told you already, now write it. Bold, timid. Correct? Yeah. So boldly, I should climb the gallows boldly and with a smile. I should not feel sad. I should not feel disappointed. I should not feel worried. I should have a smile while climbing the gallows. With a smile, with the preposition, along with the smile, that will inspire. So what will inspire? Boldness, and the smile will inspire whom? It's an inspiration. I would climb the gallows inspiringly. Adverb. He inspired the students. Verb. He got inspiration from the teacher. Noun, inspiration. So, that will inspire Indian mothers. How to change it in passive? That will inspire Indian mothers. That will inspire Indian mothers. That is the subject. Will inspire is the verb. Indian mothers is the object. This is finite verb. This is non-finite. So what is answer? Indian mothers will remain same. Next root form is be, will be, inspire, inspired, inspired. So past participle is inspired by that. This is passive. Indian mothers will be inspired by that. And they will aspire. What is aspiration? Desire. Aspire means desire. Willing to do. Correct? So that will aspire, they will desire what? That their children should also become Bhagat Singhs. What made them feel so? The inspiration that they get from Bhagat Singh's smile and boldness. Those two qualities, by seeing those two qualities, every mother, every Indian mother will desire to give birth to a child whom? And Bhagat Singh. Correct? Thus, the number of persons ready to sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country will increase enormously. Enormously means greatly. Enormously means very. Extremely. So there will be an extreme, there will be a very, there will be a great increase in the number of people who are ready to sacrifice their lives for the sake of the nation. So what will help to increase the number of freedom fighters? That is the smile and boldness. Enormously. It will then become impossible, possible, answer, possible, correct, adjective. Impossible, opposite, prefix, become impossible for imperialism. Is it given their meaning? It's a policy. What is imperialism? It is a policy followed by a nation. How? It is a policy of forcefully extending the country's borders, extending a nation, extending the borders. Correct? That is imperialism. British followed the policy of imperialism. They tried to force others. Correct? Imperialism. It may be a territory, it may be economic. Correct? Then, so impossible for imperialism, ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಶಾಹಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. Imperialism to face the tide. What is a tide? It is a frequent rise and fall in the volume of water. ಅದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. Here tide means what? The revolt. Face the tide, ಉಬ್ಬರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, of revolution. They cannot face it. And all their might, all their power, all their strength and their satanic effort. What kind of effort? Devil's effort. Cruel effort. Satan, ಪೈಶಾಚಿಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರೂರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Satanic effort, satanic adjective. Effort noun. What kind of effort? Satanic effort of revolution. Efforts will not be able to stop its onward march. It means the freedom fighters revolution. It goes on increasing, it goes on improving, but the British, but the imperialism cannot stop it. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅದನ್ನು ತಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೌ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ 11th paragraph. Yes, one thing pricks me even today, my heart nurtured. Now come to the 11th paragraph. I'll read, follow me. Yes, one thing pricks me even today. My heart nurtured some ambitions for doing something for humanity and for my country. I have not been able to fulfill even 1,000th part of those ambitions. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If ever it came to my mind that I should not die, it came from this end only. I am proud of myself these days and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. I wish the day may come nearer soon. See how interesting the lesson is. Yes, one thing pricks me even today. Even today something, what is a prick? One thing pricks me. One thing drills me. Drill. One thing stabs me. Correct? One thing hurts me. One thing cuts me. Cut. These are the word meanings. Correct? One thing cuts me. One thing stabs me. Jab. Correct? What is that? Even today, my heart nurtured. Nurture means nurse, develop. Correct? Cultivate, grow, develop, cultivate, nurture. Or bring up. My heart nurtured, my heart brought up, my heart developed, my heart fed what? Some ambitions, some desires, some aims for doing something for humanity and for my country. I should do. My heart strives to fulfill the desire of humanity. I have humanitarian concern. At the same time, I have the desire to serve my country. I have to do something for the sake of the nation. This is my aspiration. My heart nurtured, ಪೋಷಿಸಿದೆ, ಬೆಳೆಸಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ, ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಗೆ, ಮಾನವತೆಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ನನ್ನ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ. I have not been able to fulfill. So my heart is full of these ambitions for the sake of the nation, for the sake of humanity. Correct? Human beings should have humanitarian concern. Correct? Then, so I have not been able to. It is impossible for me. I could not do what? Fulfill even 1,000th part of 1,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1000ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲು ಸಹ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ನೋಡಿ ಅವನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. 1,000th ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಡ್. 99.99% remain. If I live, if I decide to live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. My heart nurtured those ambitions. If I say I should live, that is only because, why? To fulfill those remained ambitions. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. If ever it came to my mind that I should not die, it came from this end only. So what was his end? To serve the nation, to serve the humanity. If I have the desire to live, that is only for the sake of serving the nation and serving humanity. Nothing other than these two. I am proud of. Frame a sentence. Yes? Frame a sentence using proud of. Proud opposite humble. Pride noun. Pride opposite humility. Correct? Humbleness noun. Proudly we say that we are Indians. What is proud of? I am proud of my mother. Correct? I am proud of my motherland. I am proud of India. Correct? I am proud of my school. I am proud of my teachers. Correct? Then I am proud of myself. He feels proud of him these days, and I am anxiously waiting for the final test. Anxiously, restlessly, curiously, I am waiting for the final test. Means which one? The punishment, death punishment. Correct? Embracing the gallows. So I feel proud of him, he says. And he was waiting, how? Anxiously, curiously, very interestingly, waiting for the final test. I wish the day may come nearer soon means he was waiting for, he considered it is an opportunity to die for the sake of the nation, to make his name a permanent name in the heart of whom? Indians, not the British. Correct? Indians. So, I wish the day may come nearer soon. Your comrade, your friend, Bhagat Singh. Who is the your? The LCC convicts. This is the reply. Now, the will of, the desire of those convicts who were in jail. Correct? Am I right? ಅವರು ಏನು ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಇವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆಸ್ ದೇ ವೆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್, ಆಸ್ ದೇ ವೆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೇಟ್ರಿಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್. Correct? This is the mentality of strong Bhagat Singh. I think he got. Now read the 9th paragraph, 10th and 11th paragraph. Okay? Now come to the question and answer part. What kind of life did Bhagat Singh desire to lead? Bhagat Singh desired to lead a free life without any restrictions. He did not want to live as a prisoner under restrictions. Correct? Then, Bhagat Singh's name has become a symbol of dash. What is that? Is it elevation? Is it a relaxation? Is it a revolution? Is it a reorientation? See, revolution is the correct answer. Symbol of revolution. Bhagat Singh was never afraid of meeting death. Bhagat Singh is a model of what? Social service? No. Political wisdom? No. Oratory? No. It's a sacrifice. D. If I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill them. What wishes did he want to fulfill? He wanted to serve the nation. He wanted to serve humanity. Then, who is he telling this? He is telling this to whom? The LCC convicts. Correct? Then, why did Bhagat Singh feel proud of himself? Bhagat Singh felt proud of himself because he was waiting for the final test. Correct? And he wanted to die for the sake of the nation. Correct? He says, if I live, I might perhaps get a chance to fulfill those. Correct? Then, if ever it came to my mind that I should die, I should not die, it came from this end only. So he feels proud of himself, and he says in the final sentence, I wish the day may come nearer soon. Am I right? Now, next see, I'll give 2 homeworks. Okay? Now write. They got inspiration. Second one. He has fulfilled them. So change these two sentences into passive. Okay? I think it's clear. Saira.